longer than the mountain.
But he's only got a CR on that fucker today. Remember that.
Is that an Ingon truck?
No, CR. Press.
Oh, CRST.
Be a blessing, but we ain't the passenger.
Nor are we gonna fucking end up in the ditch.
God willing, we will.
We can't see shit. It's so dark out and it's raining like a bitch. Motherfucker.
We're up to 35,000 feet, climb above the storm. Pull back.
Bring her up to what?
Pull back, bring the wings up. Let's climb above the rainstorm.
Yeah. Yeah, I sure wish we could do that. I wish we could fly, but I
flying fucking semi.
I don't believe I can fly. I believe we can't fly. We'll just I think we should just leave the wheels on the road, you know.
Get down to earth about it.
Yeah, be down to earth about it.
Did you actually sleep?
Yeah, I did.
Fuck, I did.
Fuck, I can't see jack shit in this video.
That's another psycho.
Hey, look at that. It's a cutter. He's actually kind of doing what he's supposed to, slowing down. Go Conway!
CFI.
Nah, the truck was a Conway truck.
No, with the CFI fucking tail.
Yep. It's dark, it's rainy, we're on the I-44 in Missouri. And, you know, it could, turn to ice.